This doll was originally a doll that I had picked up in Portugal at like a dollar shop for maybe 12 bucks back in 2004. And she was a gift for my niece, but after years of use, she had a broken head and her foot had fallen off. So we just kind of put a piece of paper over her head, the hole in her head, after we had taken off her wig. And I had found this beautiful hair. Someone got evicted a couple doors down, and they must have worked for as a hairdresser. They had thrown all this beautiful hair out. My mother had picked it up and said, "Oh, maybe you can use it for something." And I thought, "Oh my gosh, that's Hagrid's hair." And I took it to my cousin's house, and he's a genius, so he helped me figure out how to put it on, and we used hot glue and just kind of messed around until it looked like Hagrid's mustache and it looked like Hagrid's hair. And it was around Christmas time. I'm pretty sure we had Christmas music playing in the background. It was a fun visit. It was just a lot of fun, and probably of all the dolls we've made, this was the most fun to put together, and also probably the most creative. So in the end, it, after a little nip tuck, it was absolutely Hagrid. And even the clothes I thought were very, it was supposed to be like a Portuguese peasant, but I thought it was something Hagrid would wear, because one of the legs had been broken off on one of the feet over time. There was only one shoe, so Hagrid goes around shoeless. And just a lot of joy in making it. It was a lot of fun. My daughter was really very patient in the making of it, and the end product was absolutely beautiful. See what you think?
The drag. Is work dragging you down?
I wish I had something just a little bit lower than that.
What about all those Karens in your life? Are they dragging you down too?
Can we watch the fourth one?
After we finish
Yeah,
our
we're going to do this real quick.